So this is the question, unfinished parts. So write a SQL query that determines which parts have been begun the assembly process but not yet finished. So a table for okay. So this is the part assembly tables part finished date. Okay. So there is a finished date is there, assembly step is there. Okay, okay, okay. And this in this case there is no finished date because it is started but not finished yet. That's why the output is bumper. And one thing you should remember that there is a two bumper is there, this one and this one, but output is single one. So we have to find distinct one. That should be noticed here. Okay. Only output is bumper because step 3 did not have finished yet. So how to do it? So in this case that you have to select those row which have date finished date is equal to null. So how to do the query? So select distinct. You have to use distinct here because there is a duplicate value, duplicate row is there, but we have to find distinct part from part assembly where finished date is equal to null. Finished date is null. So run the code, we submit it, output will be this, and it is accepted. So this is the query. So select distinct part from parts assembly where finished date is null. Thank you.